Okay. Selamat sejahtera to Sir Rafi and everyone. We are from section 2.1 BMKA group 3, and today we are going to present this project to everyone. Next slide, please. So this is our team member introduction. The first one is Jafan and also our team leader. The second one is Sel. And the third one is Sheikh. The fourth one is Nukman. The fifth one is Haika. And the last one is me, Yap. Okay, next please. Okay, this is the topic we are going to present today. Okay, the first one is about the introduction. So this is the two model we chosen, which both the model is C segment SUV, and on the left hand side one, the model is Honda CR-V 1.5 liter V, and the right hand side one is Toyota Corolla Cross 1.8 GR Sport AT. Next slide, please. So this is the introduction. So this assignment is mainly to emphasize about the analyzation and the comparison about the two model we chosen just now, and regarding the vehicle markers realistically. So next, please. So the second part, I will going pass to Xiao.
So for the next one is the platform type, powertrain system, and the body in white. So from this side, we can see that the Honda CR-V and the Toyota Corolla Cross is using the internal combustion engine. The engine capacity for the Honda CR-V got 1,498 cc. Meanwhile, the Corolla Cross has 1,798 cc. The Honda CR-V have a 4-cylinder 16-watt DOCH VTEC turbo, and for the Corolla Cross have 4-cylinder inline 16-watt also DOCH with dual VVTi. And the drive type for Honda CR-V got all-wheel drive, and for the Toyota Cross has only front-wheel drive. And the next one is the platform type and body in white. The platform type for Honda CR-V is using the Honda architecture, and for the Toyota Corolla Cross is TNGA-C. For this slide, we can see that the body in white diagram for both vehicles. Okay, for the next one, I will pass to my team member.
Okay, let's proceed to comparison of performance between Honda CR-V and Toyota Corolla Cross. Next. Okay, this is the table comparison of performance. As you can see, Honda CR-V can produce maximum power of 193 PS and maximum torque of 240 Newton-meter of torque at 1,700 to 500 RPM. For the Toyota Corolla Cross, can produce horsepower of 139 and maximum torque at 172 Newton-meter at 400 RPM. As you can see, Honda CR-V have more power than Toyota Corolla Cross, despite Honda CR-V has smaller engine size than Toyota Corolla Cross. This is because Honda CR-V engine is equipped with a turbocharger, while Toyota Corolla Cross is a naturally aspirated engine. For the transmission, both cars use continuous variable timing CVT gearbox. Toyota Corolla Cross have an upper advantage with 7-speed CVT with sequential systematic technology. As I mentioned earlier about the engine, Honda CR-V have an upper advantage than Toyota Corolla Cross. For the top speed, Honda CR-V have a top speed of 200 km per hour, and Toyota Corolla Cross have maximum top speed of 185 km per hour. Honda CR-V can accelerate from 0 to 100 km at 10.4 seconds, while Toyota Corolla Cross is 12.0 seconds for 0 to 100. For the fuel consumption, Toyota Corolla Cross is a more fuel efficient vehicle than Honda CR-V. It's because Toyota Corolla Cross can use 6.8 liter of fuel per 100 kilometer, while Honda CR-V using 7.5 liter per kilometer. For the price, Toyota Corolla Cross have a cheaper price than Honda CR-V. Toyota Corolla Cross is price for the Toyota Corolla Cross is 144,000. For the Honda CR-V is 181,900 ringgit.
So next we're going to talk about features. Continue. Let's see. So features we have for Honda CR-V and Toyota Cross. For the security system, Honda CR-V is using central locking and anti-theft device, anti-theft alarm, compared to Toyota Cross using with Toyota Premium Security and solar film. Vehicle telematic system VTS, 2 remote control unit immobilizer. For the safety, Honda CR-V, new Honda sensing system integrate new front sensor camera and millimeter wave radar. Compared to the Toyota Corolla Cross, dynamic radar cruise control, DRCC, cruise control only. Toyota safety sense and system. Parking system, multi-view 360-degree camera system, auto tilt side mirror function during reversing. That's for Honda CR-V. Rather than we compare to Corolla Cross, 360-degree surrounding view camera, rear cross traffic alert, and so pre-collision system for the Toyota Corolla Cross. Okay, features more about features Honda CR-V 1.5 liter. Interior and exterior headlamp type LED. Feature drive mode, econ and ambient light. Compared to Toyota Cross, headlamp type BI LED with a roof rail and fog light rear. Entertainment and communication. Display size for the CR-V is about 7-inch screen. Number of speaker is 8. Compared to the Corolla Cross, is display size screen is 9 inches. Number of speaker is 6. Smart and also Corolla Cross smartphone connectivity Miracast. For the dimension, we can conclude that CR-V is more bigger size than a Toyota Cross.
Next, we go to pros and cons. For the advantage of Honda CR-V, it provides more power, higher engine power output, which is 193 horsepower, a higher torque, greater torque 243 Newton meter at a lower RPM range. Next, OD capability. All-wheel drive system can offer enhanced traction and stability. For the disadvantage, it's higher price than Toyota Corolla, which is 181,900. Possibly high fuel efficiency. It has slightly a higher fuel consumption rate compared than Toyota Corolla. Next, for the disadvantage Toyota Corolla, it provide lower price than, which is more affordable than Honda CR-V. Better fuel efficiency, lower fuel consumption. Next, Toyota's reputation. Toyota's reliability and brand reputation for quality might be a factor for some buyer. Last, sequential shiftmatic. Provide the 7-speed CVT with sequential shiftmatic. For the disadvantage Toyota Corolla, lower power and torque. It has significantly lower power.
Kenapa tak mute?
Haikal mic.
For front-wheel drive, like the all-wheel drive capability that.
You sambung balik satu disadvantage.
Okay. For the disadvantage Toyota Corolla, lower power and torque. It has significantly lower power and torque figure compared to the CR-V. Front-wheel drive, which is like the all-wheel drive capability that the CR-V offer. That's all from me. Next, we go to Zafran.
Now, I would like to talk about the conclusion between our comparison between Honda CR-V and Toyota Corolla Cross. Okay, based on our observation, we think Honda CR-V is the best choice rather than Toyota Corolla Cross. Even though the price is higher for Honda CR-V. Okay, this is some of our reasoning why we choose CR-V rather than Toyota Corolla Cross. Okay, first is user rating. We can see that a lot of user tend to choose Honda CR-V rather than Toyota Corolla Cross. Okay, next is power. We can see that Honda CR-V provide much better horsepower than Toyota Corolla Cross. And then we go to the off-road price. Uh, Although Toyota Corolla Cross is much cheaper, but for money value, Honda CR-V is much better because due to its features and a lot of features that it offer for the consumer. Next is we go to warranty. For this section, both of Honda and Toyota cars both have 5 years warranty. And next, we go to some of comment from our experts. We go to CR-V. The overall dimension of Honda CR-V are quite smaller for SUV SUV section. And next we go to Toyota Corolla Cross. For Toyota Corolla Cross, our experts say it should give more features on the east side, and it is lack of torque and power. It has lack of torque and power. So next is fuel efficiency. For this, we give the champion to Toyota Corolla Cross. But in the end of the day, we also include some necessary aspects such as design and overall quality. We select Honda CR-V because it is overall much better than Toyota Corolla Cross. Next. So this is some of pictures from our site visit. Next. Okay. I think that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.